I'm here in a hotel room with a box of Fruity Pebbles instant oatmeal. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. Let's check it out.
Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem.
So I saw this in the Dollar Tree. It looked interesting. To me, it looked like plain oatmeal with some Fruity Pebbles that you can mix in. But now that I read it, it says sweetened instant oatmeal and cereal with natural and artificial fruit flavor. So I guess it's not plain oatmeal. I guess it's actually sweetened oatmeal that you mix the cereal into. Here are the instructions. It says empty contents of oatmeal pouch into a large microwave safe bowl. Stir a half cup of cold water into the bowl. Microwave on high for 90 seconds. Carefully remove hot bowl from microwave. Stir again to blend and let cool to taste. Top with desired amount of Pebbles cereal, topping, enjoy. So we're not making this with a microwave. We're actually going to make this with a Dash Mini Griddle. So 1 pouch of oatmeal and 1 pouch of topping, 150 calories, 2 grams of fat, 200 milligrams of sodium, 31 grams of carbs, includes 12 grams of added sugar, 3 grams of protein. So here are the ingredients, and it does break it down by oatmeal and by topping. So the oatmeal is whole grain rolled oats, sugar, salt, stearic acid, natural and artificial flavor. So why? Why couldn't you just put plain oatmeal? Why do you have to add sugar, salt, natural and artificial flavors? Like, I don't like that. And then with the cereal topping, you know, it's whatever Fruity Pebbles are made out of: rice, sugar, canola, and soybean oil. Don't like those oils at all. Don't like the sugar. Don't like the artificial colors. So this is not something that I would be eating on a regular basis. But it did look interesting, and it looks like something that would be easy to prepare when traveling, like in a hotel room right now. So let's give it a go. Here's my Dash Mini Griddle. I've plugged it in. It's starting to heat up. I'm sorry if the lighting is weird. It's because I'm in a hotel room. And I will be heating up some water on the Dash Mini Griddle. I have this little pot. It's not the perfect fit, and also see how the middle of the pot is not totally flat. Not thrilled with that either, but it does fit. It's small, it's portable, it's lightweight, and we're only heating up a half cup of water, and we don't really have to bring it up to a full boil. We just need to heat it up a little bit, so that's what we're going to do. I measured out about a half cup of water. I also just realized that I need to pull the handles on this. So this is like a mini pot with handles, and if I do it this way, it's much easier to lift off. So let's just warm up this water. So while the water's heating up, let's open this box of oatmeal. Let's see what's going on here. So here's the Fruity Pebbles instant oatmeal pouch. And then here's the Fruity Pebbles crispy fruity topping pouch. So this is the cereal and this is the oatmeal. And honestly, there's so much sugar in here. To me, this is really more of like a dessert than a breakfast. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes now, and can you see there's a bunch of steam rising out of the water? There's little bubbles along the bottom. So we're gonna say this is hot enough to make the oatmeal. So let's dump in our oatmeal. Let's give it a stir. So I might have put in too much water because obviously it looks like there's too much water in there. So I'm just gonna let it cook for a few minutes and we'll see if it thickens up a little bit. It's been a few minutes now and the oatmeal has thickened up quite a bit. So that's good. Let's remove it from the heat and unplug the Dash Mini Griddle. So there's our oatmeal. And actually I'm gonna taste it before I put the toppings in. There's no toppings in this. It already tastes like Fruity Pebbles. That's what the natural and artificial flavors must be. It tastes like if you've ever eaten Fruity Pebbles and then you have the milk left in the bowl, then you drink the milk and the milk tastes like Fruity Pebbles. That's what this tastes like. This tastes like Fruity Pebbles without even mixing the cereal in. And there we have the Fruity Pebbles, very colorful. And we could mix those in, but if we mix them in, then they're not going to be crunchy anymore. But I think having them as a topper, where hopefully they'll stay a little bit crunchy, will be a nice contrast with the softer oatmeal. No, I'm sorry. This is just wrong. This is just wrong. I mean, it's edible. If I had nothing else to eat, I would definitely eat this. I'm probably going to eat this. But it's not something I would eat again. No way. I guess some people think that if you add Fruity Pebbles to oatmeal, it will make kids want to eat it. But if you add some butter, cinnamon, maple syrup to oatmeal, kids will eat that also, and it'll be a lot healthier for them than this. So I'm not impressed by this at all. I think it was interesting to try, but I would definitely not recommend this, and it would not be something that I would be purchasing again. However, if the oatmeal was plain oatmeal, I think it could be better. I think it's like too much of the Fruity Pebbles flavor. I think what would have been nice is the contrast of the sweet Fruity Pebbles topping with the plain oatmeal. I think that would have been so much better. As it is now, it's just sweetness overload. It's too sweet.